Hello my dear friends, welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, we are continuing with lesson 3, indices and cube root. In our last video we saw how to find out cube root of a number ending with 0. That is also quickly. Means we learn a trick. Now in this video we will see how to find out the cube of a decimal number. We are going to use this table for our reference to understand the trick quickly. Friends, we know how to multiply two decimal digits. For example, you have to find out 0.2 multiplied by 0.3. How will you find out the answer? You will multiply these two numbers. 2 3s are 6. Then what will you do? You will count number of decimal place in both of the numbers, decimal digits in both of the numbers, and will do their addition. Means in this number there is one decimal digit, in this number there is one decimal digit. So 1 plus 1, 2. So in your answer there will be two decimal digits. Here is only one number, so how will you adjust? Just by appending one more 0 before it. So answer is equals to 0.06. Right? Let us see one more example. Suppose you have to find out 0.0003 multiplied by 0.0012. How will you find the answer? You will multiply these two numbers with each other. 12 3s are 36. Then you will see how many decimal digits are there in this number. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal digits. How many decimal digits are there in first number? There are 1, 2, 3 decimal digits. So how many decimal digits will be in the answer? 4 plus 3 equals to 7 decimal digits. Here are two numbers, so you will adjust 7 decimal digits just by appending few zeros before it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 decimal digits, decimal point and 0. Got it? We are very much familiar with it. We are solving it since 5th standard. Okay friends, till now let us see, suppose you have to find out the answer 0.8 multiplied by 0.8. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 8 8s are 64. 1 plus 1, 2 decimal digits are required. So that equals to 1 2 decimal point 0. 0.64. And consider once again, if you have to multiply this 64 by 0.8, what will be your answer? You will multiply this 64 by 8. 8 4s are 32. 3 will be carry. 8 6 are 48 plus 3, 51. Clear friends? And how many decimal points will be here? Here are two decimal digits. Here is one decimal digit. So in your answer there will be three decimal digits. 1 2 3. See friends, what I have done in this example. I have multiplied this 0.8 by itself, and I have multiplied the answer once again by 0.8. Means I have found 0.8 cube, and which is equals to 0.512. 0.8 cube, see the most important part. 0.8 cube is equals to 0.512, and cube of 8 is equals to 512. Are you getting it? Let us see with few more examples. Suppose I have to find out cube of 0.4. So cube of 0.4 is nothing but 0.4 multiplied by 0.4 multiplied by 0.4 itself. So we will multiply these two numbers first. So that will be 0.4 multiplied by 0.4. 4 4s are 16. 1 plus 1, 2 decimal digits, so 0.16. Clear? Once again, 0.16 multiplied by 0.4. So answer is equals to 16 4s are 64. 1 2 3 decimal digits. 1 2 3. 0.064. Therefore, 0.4 cube is equals to 0.064 is our answer. Okay friends, let us see with one more example. Suppose we have to find out cube of 0.05. So cube of 0.05 means we have to multiply the same number itself by 3 times. So it will be equals to 0.05 multiplied by 0.05 multiplied by 0.05. Right. So So we will multiply these two numbers first. 0.05 multiplied by 0.05. By the method of decimal digit multiplication, the answer will be 5 5s are 25. And how many decimal digits will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is equals to 0.0025. Now we have to find out cube. Means we have to multiply by this 0.25 once again. So that will be equals to multiplied by 0.05. Answer is equals to 25 5s are 125. And in answer there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal digits. Therefore, 0.05 cube is equals to 0.000125. This is our final answer. Friends, we found 3 cubes. 8 cube, 0.4 cube and 0.05 cube. Just have an observation and try to find out whether is there any pattern between the answers and the question. Friends, 8 cube is equals to 512. 0.8 cube is equals to 0.512. 4 cube is equals to 64. 0.4 cube is equals to 0.064. 5 cube is equals to 125. 0.05 cube is equals to 0.000125. Are you getting something? Definitely. In the answer, whatever is the decimal point, we have to find out its cube. First thing. Means if we are finding cube of 0.8, we should know what is the cube of 8. If we are finding cube of 0.4, we should know what is the cube of 4. So in the answer, cube of the given number is coming. Cube of the pure number is coming. First thing. Second thing, now let us observe the pattern between the decimal digits. In the question 0.8, how many decimal digits are there? There is 1 decimal digit. And in answer, how many decimal digits are there? 1, 2, 3. In question there is 1 decimal digit. In answer there are 3 decimal digits. Let us verify in the next answer. 0.4. How many decimal digits? 1. And in answer, how many decimal digits will be there? 3. 1, 2, 3. Are they? So, decimal digits are getting tripled. Let us see. 0.05. How many decimal digits are there in the question? 2. So, how many decimal digits will be in the answer? 2, 3 are 6. Are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Means we got a pattern that whenever we are finding the cube of a decimal number, the decimal digits in the cube are getting tripled. Clear? So based on this, we can write other decimal cube of other decimal numbers also. For example, if I have to find out cube of 0.009, so what will be my answer? In my answer, this 9 cube of the 729 will be as it is. So I will write 729. How many decimal digits are in the question? 3. So how many decimal digits will be in the answer? 3 3s are 9. And how many are they? 3. So we have to add just 6 more just by appending 6 zeros before it. 4, 5, 6. So 0.009 cube is equals to 0.000000729. So by this method we can find out cube of any number quickly. 0.02 cube is equals to cube of 2 is 8. In question, how many decimal digits? 2. So in answer, how many decimal digits? 2 3s are 6. Let's add just 6 decimal digits. 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 is the 6th. Clear friends? I hope you have understood that whenever we are finding decimal digits cube, in the answer, in the cube, number of decimal digits are getting tripled. Thank you friends.